Digibirds, Flockstars. Now the Digibirds at the jungle. Let's see what happens. Wow, this was a tough case. Like, we're not allowed to go on the swimming pool. My dad told me. My dad just told me for a song. Well, actually, we're not in your. It looks like a people's house. Like, this is a jungle with that statue. Well, it looks like a zoo, but statues are not in the jungle. Some statues are, like that Cupid statue. But it's also, some statues are, like that Cupid statue. Thanks, it's my jungle, but I go home. So, whenever we went to California, where the Golden Gate Bridge was. Yeah, Olivia. Sometimes my dad calls me Purple. Sometimes my dad calls me Purple. Purple? Well, we speak English. You're the only one who speaks Spanish. California, my home. But we're not in California. We're in the Amazon Rainforest. In Brazil. Brazil? Yeah, this is what the Brazil looks like. This is the most popular thing. Let's jump in the leaves. Well, okay. Let's jump in the leaves. Come on, let's go. A bird. So here are the leaves. You could jump in them, but I go home. Actually, you always say that. I know. I know. Now let's go jump in the leaves. Oh, okay. But we'll play for a little bit after we cross that bridge. Because remember we saw the rainbow trail? Oh yeah, we saw it. Oh yeah, we saw it. Oh yeah, we saw it. Yeah, I'm right. But it's all the way through that fence. But all the way, there's an upstairs. Don't ever jump on that swimming pool. But come on, it's fun. Don't ever jump. Well, I can. No! Ha! See? It just didn't pour a single water on me. But don't do it too hard. Okay. Now we go across the bridge to the leaves because it's so windy. Oh no, it's so windy that it's going to rain. Don't worry, Livia. We can go. Let's go across the bridge. Where are you? Woo! This is hootastic. Yeah, but we have to continue our journey. It's not funny. It's not funny. We had to go on a journey. Let's go through that bus. Get ready for the beast. Get ready. Oh, get ready. Is that part of the video? Oh my god. Oh my god. A freaking dinosaur. A freaking leaf dinosaur. Come back to see what's next in the jungle. Will the dinosaur eat Livia?